Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is PJ. So guys, inside this particular video I'll be dropping updates on boom and crash index, a best indicator for you guys to use on step index. It works on all boom and crash index, and this is a very powerful indicator that does not reprint. It does not reprint. You can see this arrow that you see here does not reprint, and this is the major thing that we are going to be using inside this video. So I'm going to explain to you guys how to make use of this perfect not reprint indicator on your chart. So guys, with this particular indicator, if you can set it up on your system, you will surely be making your daily profit with it. So let me show you guys how to make use of it. So this is the two combination of two different indicators together, and you can see what our arrow is did. We have our red arrow here that appear here, and we have our green on the middle bit, and this work based on the flow of the chart every day. You can see that. So what we are going to be doing for you to trade this particular indicator is that once the particular two line, which is the our red line here, and our this is at the support level and this is the resistance level, and we have two parallel line here which show the direction of the price in the market. Now for you to identify your entry, what you need to wait for is to wait for your arrow signal. You can see this particular arrow signal that appear here, and once it appears, that is to tell you that it is time for you to enter your trade. And once you enter your trade, your stop profit, your take profits will be above this particular red line, maybe somewhere here, and you are going to be taking your trade. See, you have your green line. You have your green line. So you can see this is the first entry. Now you can see my entry around this area. So we are going to take the price up to we have it on our second green. You can see that's the first confirmation. So let's go to the second confirmation. We have another entry here. You can see this particular entry is so accurate because it aligned with our support area, which is the thick red line on the above level. So our stop loss will be somewhere around this particular arrow. Then you can surely take your trade from that particular area till you have your first green line. So your take profit will be when you have this green line. So this is how it works, and the arrow, once it appears, it does not disappear. Guys. So you can see this again. We have another arrow at this particular area. We see that we have another arrow here, and we can see that if we enter this our trade around this particular area, and we are going to be taking it up till we have our price reaching the green, and it reached the green line around this particular area. You know how massive profit you are going to be taking. And don't forget, this is crash 500 on 5-minute time frame. So let's check for more. Let's see if we have other signal. Yes, we have another signal here. You can see this is another signal at this particular price area. You can see it stay on our support area. It go on the long trend when you have your arrow indicator signal that appear on your support area. But if it doesn't appear on your support area, you can still make use of it on anywhere it appear. But what you just need to mark down is anytime it's reaching your green line, then that will be your entry confirmation. You can see you can use this particular strategy to catch up a spike, and you can also use it to scrape up the market as you want. You can see that it appear at this particular area, and we are taking our downtrend signal up to this particular area. You can see it reach our green area at this particular area, and this is our confirmation entry to take a profit, guys. So let me show you more. Let's see if we are going to be having more in the market, so that I can show you guys. You can see this is another signal. It shows to us that we have an uptrend, and we are going to be taking this uptrend up till we have our red line touch. You can see we have our red line touch at this particular area. So this will be our entry confirmation to take our profit. So that is how this perfect indicator works. So let me show you how it works on boom 500. This is boom 500. You can see we do not have any signal yet. So let me go back so that I can show you guys how it works. You can see now we have our signal around this particular area. Our arrow appear at this particular area, which appear on the support level also. it also appear on the thick red support level, and this helps us to identify the level at which our price is moving. So when you enter this particular area, you are going to reach our what, our green 9, which is going to be our take profit level. So let me show you guys more updates on this particular one. You can see another update on this. Let me show you guys on it so that you can see. So let's check for more updates. You can see that we have a confirmation at this upper area, and you can see that it happens to be on our what, on our support level, and we can see that we take this particular trade up to where we have another green 9 at this particular area. The same thing happened here, the same thing happened here. All what you need to do is to wait patiently for it to reach your green particular 9. So this is how to make use of this particular indicator. So this indicator is something that you can have on your mobile phone. Is something that you can have on your desktop to support your daily trade. So as you can see, this is the current trade that is going on, and what I will be waiting for is my arrow signal to appear. Once it appears, then I'm good to go and take it to this particular green 9. So that is how this indicator works. So to get this indicator is very simple. All what you need to do is to join my Telegram group and get access to me, and I will reply and I will give you this indicator. But note, this indicator is not for free. It is not for free. It's only for serious people. Thanks guys. See you guys in our next video.